Hey guys, so for this video I will be showing you how I created this like little animation that I made for my parents' wedding anniversary. If you haven't watched the original video, then I will link it up in the top of the video so that you can watch it first and then see how I made it in this video. So just a disclaimer, this is actually my first time doing some sort of animation. I've never done it before. I didn't really know how to start. All I knew was like the flipbook method, where you just draw different like positions, and then when you do the flipbook, then it'll look like something's moving. But in general, I've never done anything like this. So I just took sort of like a basic approach and did some simple movements to make it easier. Now, my dad was the one who requested this, and I think this was actually a really great gift idea, just to have like an animation of, you know, movement. It's actually really sweet, it's really cute as well. So if you would like gift ideas, this is definitely one that I would recommend. Also, all the drawings, I made them all on paper. I didn't do anything digitally. Just because I don't have any of those programs or anything. I've never really tried digital art. So as you can see, the first thing I did was I traced the outline of the picture that I wanted, and then I used Sharpie just to add some details and a little bit of shading just to make it look nice. And I traced by just having like a light under the paper that I'm tracing, just so I could see it better. Now the second thing that I drew was my dad's like final position with his face. So what that gave me was, it gave me sort of like a beginning position and then an ending position, and then I could just make up the stuff in between, like the movement. Right here I'm just tracing my dad's outline and then slowly moving it just slightly so that it could look like his head is moving the other direction. The best thing to do would be to actually have a video of the person like turning the specific way you want them to turn, just so you have a snapshot of each angle and so that you could draw it properly, which I didn't do. My bad, I didn't do it. I didn't really know what I was doing, but you know, for next time, that's what I will do. It just helps you be more accurate. After you've drawn all the drawings you need for your animation, then all you really have to do is take a picture of every single one or scan them just to have a clear picture, and then we can put it, start putting it in the video to make them move. So to give you guys a better idea of how I was able to do the animation, then here I'll show you. This is the YouCut app, as in like you and then cut, you know, if you want to get it. That's what I use to edit. Anyways, so what I do is, so as you can see, the green parts over here, these are all the different pictures of the different positions of the faces. So I'm gonna drag it so that you guys can see that's the first picture. For the second picture, my dad changed position, my mom stayed the same. As you can see, my mom is a constant here, and my dad is the one that's constantly shifting positions. Basically, the idea is you just compile a bunch of different images of different positions and do them like quickly, and then you can get sort of like a shift. Now, the more pictures you use and the quicker the changes are, then obviously the smoother it looks. It's like the frames per second idea. That's the whole idea behind it. Since it's my first time though, I try not to make it too complicated, and I just did like a back and forth. And then that's the first position again. And then this one, he's going to be leaning in for a kiss, but for this one, then I used the same picture. It's the same one, but I just kept moving it forward closer to my mom until this one is a completely different picture. And then here my mom closes her eyes, then opens them again. Those are two different pictures as well. So that's basically the whole idea. It's sort of like a flip book, but it's animated in an app or like digitally. So that is basically it for this video. Thank you so much for watching. Please like and subscribe. We're on our way to 1,000 subscribers. We're a long way to go, but that is our goal. So if you could help us, that'd be great. Just hit the subscribe button, and we'll see you guys in the next one.